In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Shopify mega menu using a third-party app. If your theme doesn't include a built-in mega menu, or you want more advanced layouts, using an app is a fast no-code solution that lets you design a polished, expandable menu with columns, images, and promotional content. Start by heading to the Shopify App Store and searching for Mega Menu. You'll see several options. Two popular choices are Shopify Mega Menu and Globo Mega Menu. Take a moment to compare features, screenshots, and recent reviews so you know which one matches your needs, like support for multi-column layouts, icons, or Shopify 2.0 compatibility. It's also helpful to check the pricing and whether there's a free plan or trial so you can test before committing. When you're ready, click Add App on your chosen listing and follow the installation prompts. Approve the requested permissions and confirm you're installing it on the correct store. Many apps include a quick onboarding walkthrough. Don't skip it. It typically helps you connect your existing navigation, explains how to structure top-level items and submenus, and may offer a starter template so you're not building from scratch. Next, open the app's interface to build your menu. Most mega menu apps use a drag-and-drop builder, which makes arranging columns, drop-downs, and content very straightforward. Create your main menu items, then add submenus that link to collections, products, or pages. Enhance key areas with images, banners, or small promotional widgets to highlight new arrivals or deals. Keep labels short and clear, and organize items so the most important links sit in the first column. Use optimized images for faster loading, and preview often to see how your design adapts to different screen sizes. Many builders include a mobile preview. Make sure your menu collapses cleanly and remains easy to tap. Finally, activate the menu in your theme so it appears on your storefront. Open your theme editor, go to the App Embed section, and toggle on the Mega Menu app. If the app offers placement options, assign it to your header and choose the specific menu you just built. Save your changes, then check your storefront on desktop and mobile. If the menu doesn't show, confirm the embed is enabled, the correct menu is selected inside the app, and you're editing the right theme. A hard refresh can help you see the latest changes. That's it. No coding required. With a few clicks, you've created a flexible, visually rich mega menu that guides customers to the right products faster and improves your store's navigation.